美国总统 Donald Trump 今日伫南韩甲习近平见面啊，伊伫进前就宣布啊，面对敌对国家核主弹的威胁啊，美国要积极恢复核主弹的翅膀。不过伫见面的现场，记者去追问这个问题，伊并无回应。另外呢，这个见面煞了，记者嘛甲问讲，啊，有讲到台湾的问题无？这个 Donald Trump 伊就讲啊，无讨论到，含提拢无提到。
很高兴再见到你。
长达6年，美国总统川普佫一摆见中国国家主席习近平，两人握手握超过20秒，佫挨杀出，不过面拢无笑容，落尾川普出手啊。
But he's a very tough negotiator. That's not good.
川普出来打习近平的肩胛头两下，会议都还未开始，就敢若已经感受到人真无好斗阵。
It's a great honor to be with a friend of mine, really for a long time now, if you think about it. The very, very distinguished and respected President of China. I think we've already agreed to a lot of things, and we'll agree to some more right now.
川普规定先俄罗习近平，习近平重申美中欢迎互相袂冲突，爱做伙互美中关系平稳前进。伊嘛肯定川普促进区域和平。
Given our different national conditions, we do not always see eye to eye with each other. Mr. President, you care a lot about world peace. And you are very enthusiastic about settling various regional hotspot issues.
根据现场的画面，川普边仔分别是美国国务卿罗比奥、财政部长贝辛德，另外还有商务部长罗德尼克。习近平是由中国外交部长王毅、中共中央办公厅主任蔡奇，含中国国务院副总理和立峰陪同。在咧进入关门会议前，记者赶紧先开嘴问问题。
Mr. President, why did you change your nuclear plans? Why are you going to be doing more nuclear testing?
Thank you very much.
有记者问到川普伫咧会前雄雄下令撤减核武，不过川普无信，各界拢伫咧关注全社会谈论的主题，可能讲到稀土、关税和地缘政治的相关议题。
Mr. President, do you plan to sign a trade deal today?
Could be. I think we have. We'll have a great understanding.
Will you discuss Taiwan here?
现场媒体问到台湾，因两人都无反应，随越过行入去会议室。全社会对美中台关系影响，定到争取大焦点。
Hello， 我是陈雅玲。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。